Hi friends, hope you are doing great this day. Welcome to Sapien Blog. In this video, we'll talk about advantages and disadvantages of self-pollination. But let me tell you one thing, if you haven't seen my previous video of pollination, you can find the link in the description box of this video. That video will give a brief introduction about the pollination and the two categories. In this video, we will be discussing about the advantage as well as the disadvantage. So let's get started with the advantages of self-pollination. So we know that in self-pollination, it is just the transfer of anther pollen to the ovary stigma. So here we can get several advantage because this type of pollination happens in genetically similar plants. So the advantages can be self-pollination maintain paternal characters. Meaning is that it is responsible for maintaining parents' character and the progeny itself. The next one is that self-pollination helps in maintaining pure lines. It helps in maintaining pure lines. Pure line means same type of gene arrangement is there in parents as well as progeny. There is no fluctuation. So they maintain pure lines for hybridization, experiment, also the next advantage is self-pollination ensure seed production. So there are high chances of seed production when we compare it with the cross pollination because pollination happens in same flower or same kind of flower. Here, flower don't develop devices for attracting insect pollinator. So here no kind of bait is there which can attract the insect pollinator because this is a kind of self thing. Here the flower itself is sufficient for the role. The next one is here plant does not need to produce large number of pollen grain. So this saves time and increases the efficiency also because when we produce something in bulk, it will take time and it will definitely affect the efficiency of the process. The next is that self-pollination can eliminate some bad recessive characters. So this is the great thing. So that bad character, bad means which is not suitable for a plant. So that bad characters will not be accumulating in the genome of plant, and that's how self-pollination provides benefit. We have seen some of the advantages of self-pollination. Now it's time to discuss about some disadvantages also. So in case of self-pollination, new, useful characters are seldom introduced. Also, immunity. Plant also have immunity like humans only. In case of plant, due to self-pollination, immunity to disease decreases. Also, when we talk about variability, variability means different kinds of variability among plants are reduced because of the self-pollination. Also, the next important disadvantage is that vitality of race of plants decreases. So these were about the disadvantages of self-pollination. I hope you got meaningful content from this video. If you like it, do comment and share as much as you can with your friends and relatives. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.